and today we'll be opening a mystery box from Book. Make sure to thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to like the bell button. And let's start the video. Okay, let's open this box up. There's 50,000 of my best friends. There's 50,000 of them!
This is a uninspected item box.
Oh, look, guys! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm gonna live with these! I'm finally gonna live with these!
What are those?
Those are called a fuzzy bubble. They're called fuzzy bubbles.
Awesome.
And my unicorn broke, so guys, I'm gonna be right back, and I'm gonna bring you guys the unicorn, okay? So you can see. Fuzzy bubble broken. Broken fuzzy bubble. It was because it was stuck behind the couch.
So now you can pick out a new one.
Woo!
Okay, what else do we have?
Okay. Oof. Chicken nugget. Oof. What's this? What's this? Oof. Oof. What's this? Oof. Oof. What's this?
Looks like a camera.
Ooh, mine. Mine.
Okay, I'll take it. So
I'm just gonna take everything I want.
No.
Except for the expensive thing.
Okay, show everybody everything.
Alright, what's the expensive one though?
I don't know.
Okay, so let's get going. What's down here? Has to be a toy. This is not a toy. Okay, this is a
iPhone watch band.
Who day. Oh, you caught this. That's nice. Alright, and we got...
Show me. A PlayStation 5 game.
I don't have PlayStation.
Okay. So that's good. That goes on eBay. Okay.
Yeah, that goes on eBay. Oof. 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 What's this? Oof. 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 What's this?
It is a baby, something for a baby, like a baby
A
towel.
baby swaddle?
Yep.
A baby swaddle?
Baby swaddle.
I remember those things.
That is a
bye-bye.
shirt.
Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna have to say bye-bye to that. Bye-bye.
Ooh, I didn't know about this.
Controller
For
games.
For Xbox.
We don't have Xbox. Xbox One, Xbox 2. I'm just gonna sing Xbox now. Xbox! Oh, I think this is the expensive thing, is it?
I don't know. That's Fortnite.
Well, Fortnite.
I'll have to open it to make sure it works and everything. It looks like it's been open.
It's a Fortnite gun.
Yeah.
I think it's open.
That's alright. We'll test it.
It's a game called Watch Your Mouth. Watch Your Mouth. Limited edition. 200 new cards. 200 new cards with... Ooh, we might need this. I'm just going to take everything I want. Okay, I'm not...
That was open too, so we have to
clean everything.
look at the pieces. Okay, what else we have?
Not much. Can I go in the box?
What kind is that?
This one's a pig.
Oh.
Go in my section. Go in my section. Scary.
Oh, a shark.
Oh, this one's for boys.
Okay.
Bye-bye. I'm like, bye-bye. Hey, that's my pile.
Oh, sorry.
You have to take the stuff I don't want.
Oh, yeah. We'll separate it. Next.
I'm just grabbing all the fuzz bubbles.
What is that?
Oh, this one's already in my... This fuzzy wobble is already in mine.
Okay.
Bye-bye, fuzzy wobble. Bye-bye. This fuzzy wobble is already in mine. Let me see, guys. Come on, follow me, guys. Come on. Okay, thank you. Yeah, it's already in
You
mine.
already got that? Okay. I'll take that.
They don't look different. One bit. Ow, I just keep hurting this other thing right here. Thank you so much, Mommy. Oh, there's a princess sticker. There's a princess sticker.
pretty heavy, so I'm gonna
Mario!
wall art. That's the expensive thing. What is that?
Paper Mario.
For Nintendo Switch, and it's been open, so we're gonna have to test it and play it, right? Yeah. And let's see what else.
There's a princess here. I need to go in, guys.
She's going in the box. Meanwhile, I'll show
Show
you
me back to bulk. Okay, I'll go back.
headphones. And the last thing,
Sticker and some
headbands.
headbands in it. Wait, this was random. This was just sitting right here, guys. Wait.
So how'd you like this box? What do you think? How do you feel about it?
I loved it. Okay, let's put it back in my pile. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Okay. I loved it so much. I'm going to
And it cost $100.
Bye.
And she's going in the box. Well,
Make sure the subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button.